Ayan natin yun! Left,
Iyan na
right,
yun, i-cancel nyo.
up, down, bakla si Sean. Let's go.
Oh,
Bruh.
Oh, okay.
who has the EMF5?
I do.
Can you
EMF5?
give me the EMF5 real quick?
Papasok ako sa basement guys ha.
A
Throw
game.
things.
It threw a game, bro. It threw a game, bro. Look.
Sinarado
Let's throw
yung pinto
things.
by the way guys ha. Sinarado niya yung pinto.
Oh!
Oh,
Laser
ghost
projector!
orbs, yup.
Laser
Ghost
projector!
Guys, it has ghost
Meron,
orbs.
meron.
Paano mo nasabi? Paano mo nasabi? Saan?
Nakita ko.
Saan?
Nakikita ko siya ngayon. Small ghost orbs.
Yeah.
Tumilitaw. Yep.
Ay, marami? Sobrang dami?
Wait,
No,
merong
just
projector?
one ghost orb.
May projector?
Yeah, meron.
Wala siyang
Nakita ko.
EMF1 lang pala siya guys ha.
Projector, ghost orbs check. Leaves us with Umbra and Wendigo.
Shoot.
Isa lang yun.
So, yung
I
ghost
have
room...
Ghost orbs, laser projector.
Nakita
ano
ko.
yung hawak mo?
It's a Wendigo. Yep, it's a Wendigo.
Ano yung hawak mo?
How do I know? Because it's malformed.
Ano hawak mo siya?
Oh,
Oop, tumataas yung reading.
Bato mo lang, bato mo... Ay,
Nila, nila.
place down mo lang yung EMF. Yeah, may ghost orb nga.
Sean, place down the EMF.
Oop, tumataas guys, tumataas.
Ano?
3, level 3.
No freezing temperatures, no freezing temperatures.
Walang ghost writing.
Wala pa. Ay, meron na!
Meron.
Tapos na! Isang Wendigo, bro.
Wendigo. Easy, man.
Light work, no
Let's get
reaction.
Light work!
Ano nyo na, ano nyo na. Confirm nyo na.
Let's go, okay.
Pag umbra yan, bading si Jay.
Ooh! Hard mode yun, no?
Yeah, hey. Okay.
Let's go gang.
Right?
Narinig yung sigaw ko.
Mataas kayo ng kamay kung bading kayo.
Oh, nakata sa akin.
Hinagis yung buwan.
Ako lang yun.
Nagpakita agad sa akin. Pagkabukas ko lang ng pinto, sabi ko, uy. May nakikita akong garment. Pagkatingin ko, it's a girl.
Zach, gusto mo na isa pang flashlight, Zach? May dalawang flashlight na ninakaw eh.
Who took the other one, man? Give it to the other, man.
Zach, oh, ito yung flashlight.
And in mine, Isaac. Why don't you take the black light, Sean?
Yes, go. Yup, right, go.
Oh.
Buzz.
Yeah. Not EMF5, but yeah. I'll sacrifice myself.
Di EMF. Namatay rin ako.
Yep.
May
I don't care.
footsteps.
It's a demon.
Oh my.
It's a demon. I just
Patay
know.
lahat.
It's a demon.
Guys, he molested me guys. He molested.
Let's
Sige,
go. Left, right,
Sila.
up,
Bro,
down.
why enough flashlights para sa ating lahat?
Bruh.
No
Ba't
pun
kulang
intended,
pa rin ng
man.
flashlight?
No pun intended, man.
In
Di ba
this.
pwede nang bili ng black light?
Ayoko sa black.
Sa sacrifice ka na namin. How long
Behind us, huh?
ago did you die?
Where you at then, huh?
Natin ka?
Bubuksin ka namin ni Zach. Bubuksin ka namin.
Put on the camera. Let me see if my ghost corpse. Put down the damn camera, my guy.
It's kinda cute though.
Chaos
Gorgeous.
control.
Monkey, 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 monkey.
Ayos ng camera.
Yes,
I
king.
can't see.
Yes,
Monkey.
king. Come here, monkey.
Monkey.
Come here, monkey. Ow! Ow! Oh, shoot!
Oh, oh!
I'm gonna rape this girl.
We got Diddy's disciple, bro.
Shoot.
Where are you?
EMF2.
EMF 2.
Where are you?
So, hindi siya sa living room nag-hunt. Galing siya sa hallways or master bedroom, probably.
Grabe yung bangkay ko
I
guys,
think
ang
sa master
pangit.
bedroom siya.
Or ghoul.
Yup, you're done, bye. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done, buddy.
Ayaw ko lang lumusot.
Ayaw kasi ayusin yung camera. Di ko makita kung may ghost orbs.
Meron.
Wala kaya.
Ano sabi?
Meron ghost orbs.
Saan mo nakita?
Yung
Young Port Casino. Young Port Casino.
Young, dumb, and broke. Young,
Wala siya dyan. Go to his place.
Bata daw siya Zach eh. Bata daw siya eh. Nasaan siya?
Oh! Nakalimutan ko, may run button pala. Kanina pa ako naglalakad.
Ay, stupid. Ayos nung camera kasi kailangan natin makita kung may ghost orbs.
Asa ba yung camera?
It's literally knocked over.
My bad
Sa-
guys, nasipa ako eh.
The living.
So, hindi siya sa master
What
bedroom.
he just said, bro.
You're done. Yep, you're done. Yep,
He
you're
just
done.
said he wanted us to die, bro.
Shoot!
Marco, you're done.
I think that's bad.
Marco, you're
Marco,
done.
Marco, you're.
Marco, you're done.
Buddy, you're done.
I'm gonna go with Oni, guys.
Yeah, same, bro.
It's a goal. It's a goal para sa akin. Die,
Parang
Marco.
ano sa akin, goal. Sige guys, na-lock in nyo na yung mga choices nyo.
Bro. Sino
Tama
gabanan?
ba ako?
Well,
Isang wraith! Oh my gosh!
Mali tayong lahat.
Okay, mag-outro na kayo. Outro na kayo.
GGS tayo.
Mag-outro na kayo.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.